is Shaki Beauty. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media accounts. And I hope that you enjoy the video. So let's get right into it. I already did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go into Sephora's Make No Mistakes foundation and concealer, and I'm gonna apply that all over my face. Then I'm going to keep blending it out so it don't be blotchy and that it could blend well with my skin so it can be even. Then I'm going to go in with LA Pro Concealer, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and on the top of my forehead. Then I'm going to also blend that in so it can be nice and even. So I'm going to go in with Sacha Buttercup. That's my favorite setting powder, and that's the one that I use. And when I take pictures, it doesn't do flashback. Now I'm setting it with the Sacha Buttercup where I had put my concealer at. So I'm putting it underneath my eyes, on my chin, and on the top of my forehead. So I use one of the shades from Kat Von D's Contour eyeshadow palette, and it works very good, and I use it for like bronzer or like for my contour for my cheeks, and I also use it from the tip of my forehead. Then you brush off the excess powder, and once I'm done with this, I'm going to apply my Black Radiance Almond Blush. I love it. It's very neutral. It's not that bright for my skin tone, so I always use that for my blush. Then I'm going to use one of my gold eyeshadows and using that as a highlighter. And it looks so bomb. Look at that. Popping. Then I'm going to apply the shimmery, bronzy, reddish color on top of my eyelids and pat that on my eyelid. Then I'm going to go right back into the Kat Von D's Shades to Light Contour eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use the same color that I used for the contour. And I'm going to smooth that in. And I'm using an angle brush for that. So I'm going to put that over top to get this like ombre effect. And I apply the lashes off camera. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.